The colorful leaves symbolize diversity. The teachers, the staff, and the volunteers have different background, different culture, and different talents. But the school promotes this diversity in order to maintain a good working environment where everybody can feel at ease and develop their full potential to share the same vision.
The colorful leaves represent the unity in diversity. We could see the diversity in the background, the personality, and the talents of our students. No matter how different they are, maybe the color of their skins or the place where they came from, boys or girls, they can all be friends. And they also can always help each other with those differences in a class. So, the leaves just show that all the students are all the same and they are one despite all those diversities.